Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. He is my elder brother. Brother, what is your name?
My name is Florian. I'm from
And
Austria, and I'm here to look at what we made together with Roundtable Bangladesh.
yeah, Roundtable Bangladesh is a renowned voluntary organization. Most of the time, my elder brother invite me to join their program, and I am also photographer and videographer. And brother, share your experience. You joined this organization.
So Roundtable is a worldwide organization. It is, I think, in more than 60 countries now. We are about 30,000 people worldwide, and we are young men who use their time and also their connections to make events, to gather money, and to help people in need. And most we focus on children, education, health, food. So basic needs what people don't have everywhere. And we are, where I'm from Austria, we're very fortunate we have all of that. But we are here to share and to help all the others that don't.
Yes, I'm very grateful to join with you, and most of the time I join your program because Ronnie brother always invite me, and I'm right now official photographer in your organization.
Perfect. So ever thought of like joining Roundtable? You would be in the perfect age.
Yes, when I am doing any business or any job, then I join this organization. It's a very great organization in my thought.
But it has one thing, it has not to be, you do not have to be a businessman, you do not have to be rich or wealthy, you just need to have time and want to help.
Yes,
Everybody can help, even you help a lot with
Yes.
like just sharing what we do, yeah?
Yes.
Bringing it out to people so that they understand, and everything, every little push helps us grow and help us help more people.
Yeah, understand. Brother, what is your favorite food or what is your favorite
So, wow, my favorite food, my favorite food is not Austrian, it's Italian.
Italian.
But no, we have maybe the Wiener Schnitzel is very known worldwide. It is like a deep fried wheel, usually with potato salad.
Yeah.
And we have the Kaiserschmarrn, which is like a sweet dish with raisins and some kind of special jam out of plums.
You like sweet, right?
Also, yeah.
My hometown is Kumilla, and Kumilla is popular for sweet. Rashmalai, it's renowned across the world or across the country in Bangladesh.
Nice.
If you go to Kumilla, then I will treat you.
That's very nice of you. Thank you.
Brother, can I ask a personal question?
Sure.
What do you do right now? What is your profession?
My work.
Yeah.
So my work right now is I took over the family business. My father
great.
started to sell shoes in Europe,
Yeah.
comfortable shoes, which was like 30 years ago was very like a niche market. And now everybody is more into like barefoot shoes and something like this, so that the market grows.
Yes, in future, if I go to your country, then I will buy.
Yeah, come by and I show you what we do.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful to meet with you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for letting me share. And everybody who's interested out there in becoming part of Roundtable, Google us. We are worldwide, as we said. And there will be a brother in your close neighborhood who is reaching out to you and just showing you. You can just have a meeting, look if you like it. If you like it, join us. If you don't, it was definitely a nice evening.
Thank you so much. If you're interested to watching this kind of video, you can follow me.